Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add a logo to every slide in your PowerPoint presentation. Start by launching your PowerPoint application on your computer. Once the program is open, locate and open the presentation to which you wish to add your logo. This process works best when you have your presentation ready, as you will be making changes that affect the entire document. After opening your presentation, navigate to the section of PowerPoint that controls the overall look and feel of your slides. This is achieved by switching to a different view mode. Locate the menu tab labeled View at the top of your screen and select it to access the options there. Within the View tab, you will find an option called Slide Master. Selecting Slide Master allows you to make design and layout adjustments that will be applied uniformly across all slides. This is particularly useful when you need a logo that appears on every slide, because any modification made in this view is automatically updated throughout the presentation. Once you have accessed the Slide Master view, direct your attention to the very first slide in the layout. This slide is often referred to as the master slide, and any changes made here will influence the design of each slide within your presentation. With the master slide selected, you now need to bring in the logo image that you want to use. For this, switch from the Slide Master view back to the normal editing tools by clicking the Insert tab. This tab not only lets you add text and shapes, but is also used for incorporating images into your slides, which is exactly what we need at this point. Within the Insert tab, look for the section that deals with inserting pictures. Click on the option that says Pictures to open a file selection dialog. When prompted, choose the alternative labeled This Device. This selection allows you to browse through files stored locally on your computer. Take a moment to navigate to the folder where the digital file containing your logo is saved. Once you locate your logo file, select it, ensuring that the image is high quality and has the right dimensions for your presentation. Once you confirm your selection, the logo will be inserted onto the master slide, and you can adjust its size or position if necessary. After positioning and resizing your logo to suit your presentation's design, the final step is to exit the Slide Master view so that all changes are applied across your slides. To do this, return to the Slide Master tab and select the option Close Master View. Upon closing, you will be returned to the normal view, and you will notice that your logo now appears on every slide in your presentation. This streamlined process ensures consistency in your presentation's branding, making your work look professional and cohesive. By following these clear and simple steps, you have successfully added a logo to all slides in your PowerPoint presentation, enhancing your overall design and reinforcing your brand identity throughout your work.